Hello, this is Usama Hussain. Today we are going to start a new series of videos on Amazon private label specifically. As we know that there are different models in Amazon, as we know that Amazon private label, Amazon wholesale, Amazon online arbitrage. We are going to start a series of videos regarding Amazon private label specifically. We will cover up their Amazon product research, its analysis, market research, and everything regarding Amazon product research. Then we will have a sessions on Amazon product sourcing. We will also do the supply chain management, the logistics, and everything regarding the Amazon private label product sourcing. Then we will come to the next topic, which is the listing creation and its optimization. We will create a different listing on a different products, like we will do its title, its bullet points, description, and backend system as well. We will also do the Amazon optimization, the product optimization, like researching the keywords and extensive keyword research through different product opportunity explorer, through brand analytics, and through different third-party tools as well. We will also do the Amazon PPC, that how we can advertise our product on Amazon advertising console. So we will also cover these type of work as well there. The most important thing we have here, that the Amazon private label strategies, which are very important for us to mostly focus on that. So stay tuned with us, stay here, and we will share different stuff regarding Amazon private label specifically. We will work on this model, we will grow, and we will learn from here. So I hope that you will learn from me and from my community as well. So for that, we are now launching the Amazon private label YouTube channel. So please subscribe and like and share our channel. Thank you.